Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful scarf and it's a super easy one row repeat scarf. Let's begin. I'm going to be using this yarn and it recommends a hook of 6.5 mm, but I'm going to just go for a 7 mm hook. So I'm going to use a 7 mm hook. Let's make a slip knot. And insert a hook into the slip knot and tighten this a bit. So now I'm going to chain 20, and of course you can chain how much or wide you want your project to be. So chain 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So we have chain of 20. That's chain of 20. So now what we're going to do is we're going to start working. We're going to turn this around, turn this chain around and start working on these back bumps. See these back bumps here? So this one. So we're going to work there. So we're going to start working from the second bump. So this is the first one and this is the second one. So we're going to start working from the second one. So we're going to make half double crochet in US terms, or it's half treble in UK. So yarn over and into the second bump. So insert the hook into the second bump here. Yarn over, so there are 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all 3. So that's our half double crochet done. So moving on to the next chain, so that's the back bump of the chain. So yarn over and insert the hook into this back bump, yarn over again, so there are 3 loops on the hook, pull through all 3. Again similarly, so yarn over into this back bump now, insert the hook into this and yarn over and 3 loops on the hook, pull through all 3. So we're going to continue until the end. So if you carry on doing this, I'll show you what to do next. Okay, I'm into the very last chain now. So let's do a half double crochet or half treble crochet. So 3 loops on the hook, pull through all 3. So that's our row 1 complete. So if you count the chain on the top here, so you should have a total of 19. So we had 20 chains. So on the row 1 we'll have 19 chains. So how much ever chains you have. So for example, if you have 35, so you will have 34 chains and when you complete your row 1. So now what we do is chain 1 and turn our work. So for the next row, what we do is we're not going to work on this chain 1 because this was a turning chain. So we're going to make half double crochets into the next chain. So yarn over and insert the hook into the next chain. So this, yarn over, so 3 loops on the hook and pull through all 3. So yarn over again, insert the hook into the half double crochet chain which we just worked in the previous row, yarn over and pull through all three. So yarn over again, insert the hook into this space, yarn over and pull through all three. So again, yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over and pull through all three loops. So we keep carrying on like this until the end. So pause this video and carry on doing this, and I'll show you what to do next. Okay, so I've done my next row as well, so I'm left with 2 more half double crochets. So let's do that. And there we go, and chain 1 and turn our work. Again, we're not going to work on the first chain because it's a turning chain. So yarn over and start from the second chain. So that's this one. So this is the first one, that's a turning chain, and we're going to work on this chain. So yarn over, insert the hook into this chain, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Yarn over, insert the hook into this space and yarn over and pull through. Yarn over, insert the hook into this chain, yarn over, insert the hook, pull through all three loops. So we carry on doing this same thing until we reach our desired length of the scarf. So if you carry on doing this and get the desired length of your scarf, I shall show you how to put on the tassels next. Okay, so I've completed my scarf. It's such a beautiful color. It looks really beautiful, this one. So for the fringe now, for the fringe or tassels, what we do is we cut few strands of yarn of whatever length you want your tassels to be. So I've cut it into this size. So there you go. So if I fold this into 4 parts, so I get this length. So this is the length I want my tassels to be. So you kind of fold this and then put this onto this last row. So this is our tail from the beginning of our scarf. So I'm gonna put this tassel on here and then insert the hook into this space. So I'm not going to cut this off, I'm just going to leave this as a tassel. Insert the hook into this space here and pull this through with the hook. So, okay, so that's how it's done, and there we go, we have our tassels done. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a knot so that it just stays in place. Oops. And there we go. So there we have our tassels. So I'm just gonna cut this and make it of equal length. So yeah, similarly we keep on doing this onto the next space wherever you want your tassels to be. You can either put tassels in each of the stitches, or you can space it in between, however you like. So yeah, so that's it really. Thank you for watching.